I struggled with trading for 2 full years until I sat down and I really put the work in back testing this model. And I've developed a model that basically allows you to eliminate so many losses when you trade inverse fair value gaps. I've been trading inverse fair value gaps for a long time. And one thing that always really annoyed me was when I'd be right about the draw on liquidity, but my entry model just wouldn't play out. So what I do is I divide inverse fair value gaps into 3 different categories. Those are range, reversal, continuation. Talked about that before. But it really just allows you to avoid taking unnecessary losses because if a trade doesn't fit into one of those categories, it's probably just not going to play out. Even if you're right about the draw on liquidity, it's just not going to be a good setup. And someone requested that I backtest this strategy, make a video on that. So that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully, help you guys out and see how I identify these models, how I trade them. Um, and if you're looking for more examples, especially like recent ones, because this is gonna be, I think in like 2019, or no, I'm in 2021 now, I think. But anyways, join my Discord. It's free. Link will just be in the description. And every day I put every example of each of the 3 different categories into this little into these channels. And yeah, I thought I'd backtest, show you guys this, hopefully help you out in your IFVG trading. I've also been thinking about doing some live trading. If you're interested in that, comment, join the Discord, let me know. I'd love to live trade. Like I would actually love to do that for free, and just like it just sounds fun to me. I used to post some videos of me trading where I just like record myself trading and then post it afterwards. But I'd love to do it live. But I don't know if people would actually want to watch that. So let me know if you would. Um, and this is just my personal backtesting analytics right here of the strategy, where I've just practiced over and over, putting a lot of time on this. And 65% win rate with my IFVG model. And if you look right here, so all this is risking. I try to risk 1%. The reason why the average loss is so low is because sometimes I trail my stop loss. But if you do the math, this comes out to around 1.2, 1.3 versus reward with a 65% win rate. Super realistic, super attainable, super good for prop firms. Which is why I trade. I know this doesn't seem that high, 50% over 248 trades, but this is risking 1%. This is actually like 50R, which like with enough funding, it comes out like for example here 33R in a year. Dude, 33R in a year with the right funding could be like multi six-figure payouts. Um, so I want to read analytics here. And get to back testing. Go to chart and get into this. Hopefully, I mean, this is just made to help you guys. Like, I really just want to help other people find consistency in trading. Join my Discord, talk to me about trading. Let me know if you guys have literally any types of videos that you want me to make. I will make pretty much any video related to trading. I love talking about it. I love helping people with it. So yeah, I just made this the New York Time. And yeah, all right, let's get into back testing. Um, so May 12th, so I must have already done this day. So on May 13th, we have 9 a.m. Powell, I don't trade if Powell is speaking. Oops. So next day, Thursday, 8:30 news. All right, boom, 1 hour. Let me orient myself. I forget where I'm at. Okay, okay. So right here, I mean, I try to trade this like I don't know what's gonna happen, and I would be looking at these relative equal daily lows, because I do have some idea what happens here, just because I mean, I've seen the data, I've seen the charts, but we do have equal highs up here, so I'd be looking for a run on this before going higher. And what did I say we have? We have 8:30 news. Okay, so we have that data handle right here. Looks like we already ran the data high. So I'd be bearish going into the 9:30 open here. And one thing I do is I look for a trade at 9:30. If I don't find one, I wait until 10. If I don't find one there, I wait until 11. I really just traded macros. It's not, well, 9:30 is not really a macro, but you know what I mean. I really value time here. So actually, if this is, yeah, we came into this 15-minute for a value gap. Um, and that since that's a high time frame PD array, this is going to be considered a reversal model, right? We ran higher. We're in an implied discount because we're in a high time frame PD rate. Even if this, I'm sorry, an implied premium. And I mean, this does happen, speed of premium, but it actually doesn't really need to be because it's that high time frame PD rate. Um, so I actually, I like this. It looks like, I, uh, I messed up and we'll get a worse entry here. I went one candle too far. Um, but that's okay because I mean, stuff like that's going to happen in the real market. And let's see for break even and TPs. Um, so this 5 minute low right here, I think that'll be it because then we'll be re-delivered to this for value gap. We could reverse off that. That'll be my break even. And then my TP will just be the daily lows. I really don't think we're gonna go higher after delivering to that. Without running this. So this is me $880 per contract. So sometimes it's kind of hard because like right here I have to either over leverage or under leverage. I'm gonna choose to under leverage. I tend to do that. Um, just because like it's like 800. I do two contracts. I try to not do partial contracts just because I can't do that in the real market. So that'll be break even. Okay. This looks like it'll just be a break even trade. Just because we got such a bad flow, I would have liked my break evens to be right up there, but yeah, it is. Okay, so we're break even right there, but yeah, see. We would have gotten stopped at break even anyways, but maybe we should have. This is one where we probably didn't need to go break even just because like it's Wednesday, or I'm sorry, it's Thursday. These are relatively equal daily lows. Probably a mistake, something to learn from. But yeah, that's gonna be a reversal model right there, break even. On something like this now, I'd wait to see what we do at the 10 a.m. macro to see if we want to go reversal. I do think that we could go higher here. Um, this would be technically a reversal model. I don't really like it. I'm gonna wait. I don't love this, right? Because like, yeah, we could just still go lower. So I'm gonna wait for range or continuation. Yeah, see, we would have gone stopped on good long to that. This looks like we could get something good around 11. I actually, oh, I was gonna say maybe we could take something off that. Let me check ES. So 1029. Basically just checking for, yeah, so this is SMT right here. When we form SMTs, I don't really worry too much about the time. Like on a trade like this is just such a good trade. With like a good break even too. Looks like right here we rebalanced and we have that inversion there in the overblock and this for value gap. So we can have our stop right here. We can have this be our break even. This will be TP1. And then, so those are relative equal highs to the upside. So I will want to leave a runner. So this will be TP1, good, nice RR, 1 to 1. CP2, CP3, and this will be another 800. So again, we have to do like really low risk, which I don't like. I'm pressing buy here, right? All right. Okay, I just paused the video. I had to reset the I just had to refresh, but we're back here. I lost my drawings, so I like that as a stop loss. This is gonna be, I think that'll be TP2, and then we'll have that intermediate so buy side for break even and TP1. Yeah, nice little TP1 right here. Nice break even right here. This is again a reversal model off that relatively cool daily lows. And again, it's gonna be 100. Short getting about 1600 here. Like I said, it's hard to risk exactly 1%, but this is pretty close. Okay, so that's gonna be break even. And then, oh, I guess you can't have a third TP, so we'll have to just do one and one. That kind of sucks. Do we get stop there? No. I think we will. Oof, that sucks. 'Cause now we're gonna run for it. Uh, yeah. Yeah, I guess we shouldn't have gone break even there. It's tough on, but yeah, like, look how we left those roads in. All right. Next day. I don't trade after. If I don't take a trade at the 11 a.m. macro, I'm just done there, by the way. Okay, so Friday, May 15th. We have 8:30 news, we have 10 a.m. news. Um, it looks like an overnight we were bullish, and then we kind of came down in London into sort of like an order block. We ran out those daily equal lows to that daily fair value gap. So I am bullish here. I like the London high, honestly. Even if we don't really have much of a PD right here, we ran out this low. We have 10 a.m. news. What did I say? There's 8:30 news. Let's see what we're looking at. Do that. Okay. So on days like this, I usually like I'm not really going into the market with much of a bias. I think that these equal highs up here probably good, like stuff like that. Like I think we're more likely to be bullish than bearish, but I'd like to see what we do here. Okay, I like this. Let me check the S for SMT. Oh yeah, basically this would be the version. So this is SMT. So this would be a range model, right? We just came into a discount. Um, boom. Into a discount. This is probably what this is. Yeah, 5 minute fair value gap. 2 minutes. So like this area here, it's hard. I guess this 5 minute fair value gap. Like it looks more like a fair value gap on the 1 minute, but it's really not. But it's an imbalance price range right there. Um, so yeah, if we invert this with decent RR, which I kind of doubt we do. Okay, wait, this is, yeah, with the SMT, this is good for 930. Nice little range model. It's not the best RR, but I think with given time, we'll probably just run for it so I can have my TP there, making this like almost a 1-to-1. I'm not scared of taking negative RR trades. I don't get like it, but I mean, I'll do most of my TP right here, and we'll buy three because it's gonna be a little less than 800 per. Okay. Okay, I had to refresh it again. Keep this makes it look like I'm like cheating or something, but I promise I'm not like looking at data. I'm just like, yeah, I guess this is how it looks here. Like you saw, I pressed buy, like I just can't. It doesn't work for some reason. So I had to refresh this. What do I say? Three. This better work. Yeah, now we're start. So 950 plus 1.5. This is an range model. Again, you're just gonna do a discount of this range here. No break even. We're just gonna do 2 and 1. Okay. So Mike's reaching. Oh, sick. All of those actually worked. All right. Oh my God. All right. Whatever. Um. See, I was not cheating. All of those orders actually worked, I guess, and I just have infinite buys open. That's just gonna ruin our stats. It's uh, okay, so we fixed it. That's fine. But yeah, that was a good range model. I'll just go back and see if that actually ended up playing out. Oh, is that where we are right here? Yeah, so we were long. Okay, sick. We actually have this. We actually have this right now. Um, sorry about that. So we're gonna take this, and it did play out, right? It did. Okay. So I haven't lost a trade yet on this video. That's good. Um, sorry, that was kind of choppy right there. I kept having to pause it because I just replayed to the date and I got rid of those trades. So yeah, I'm back at 97. And I bought 3 years, stop loss, boom, boom. Again, I like this. We ran into a discount. When we have these big like moves down in the overnight, you tend to see some sort of run up at 9:30s. Especially when I believe there's 10 a.m. news on this day. Yeah, like we might go lower, and like if they do decide we want to go lower, that's fine. They'll probably save it for 10. That's something I've learned just from experience in the market, which is always important. Learning from what you see. So I said I was gonna take two off there, and then I'll just see one runner. But ooh, so 10. We were higher at 10. Which means we could actually go higher in the day. Let's see, I'm wrong. I forgot to trail my stop. um, which, I'm actually fine with. Um, I'm not fixing it. Because we closed some there, so like, yeah, 470 realized profit. It actually didn't really affect anything. Um, so Monday 18th, no news. All right. So looks like we were bullish on the overnight since the Sunday open. Boom, boom, yeah, just bullish. Just up, up, up. So it looks like this is gonna be our draw. One thing I love to do for drawing liquidity is look at high time frame fair value gaps that have been inversed. Like we inverted this big 1 hour for value gap here. We formed this 1 hour for value gap here. Meaning this one should in theory hold until we come to the buy side up there. This is no news, so we're looking for just like a quick reversal model off the high time frame PD array. See if we won't get it. There's no reason to take here. Boom, lower. Okay, there it is. All right, all right. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Reversal model. If we invert this, we did invert it. This is one of those trades. I talk about. Well, where did I talk about this? Oh no, I put this in my notes. I don't know if you guys play poker, but this is one of those trades where this is just like the trade I took on Friday. I compared it to if you three bet pre-flop with ace king offsuit and you get four bet jammed, like in theory, like you have ace king, like you have to call. You're not gonna fold ace king pre-flop, but like it always just feels awful. Um, like this I know I haven't hedged here, but it doesn't necessarily feel good. So this is gonna be six. Uh, but yeah, I've been getting into poker big time. Uh, and honestly, the similarities with trading are huge. Like, it's actually helps my trading. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if you're good at one, you're probably decent at the other right away. Like, without much money. Like, I could totally see, um, like a good like connection between the two. Like, if pro poker players would probably make great traders, and other way around. What are we thinking for TPs here? I'm thinking we're gonna do 3-2-1 with a break even at the internal high. Going into this 10 a.m. macro here. There it is. Boom. Break even. I like to see that right around 10. Nice move up. So we're gonna close half our position at that. Ooh, no way we got bottom ticks. Okay, now we would have gone. So far, honestly, me going break even has not looked good on this video. Most of the time it gives me an edge. Like I've looked at the data, most of the time like it does protect me from losses, but what is that my third break even trade that turns into a win? It's tough. That's definitely something that like I'm personally working to improve is when I go break even. I guess I could have looked for an 11 a.m. trade there, but I just didn't. Sometimes like you can kind of feel like I just don't have an edge in this market. It's best to like stop watching. All right, so we have 8:30 news, 10 a.m. news, Tuesday. So we're choppy. We look for some like power three type shit right here. South side, high side. I would assume since we're already in a discount, we will run some south side. Um, yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling here. See what we do here. So we didn't get anything at 9. Um, oh, and that last trade, that was a reverse model. Right, delivered to that 1 hour for value app, my type empty grade. I think a lot of reversal models, uh, just because, like, um, they're just kind of they're most similar to how I used to trade, and like it's almost like I have it. But I do love reverse range and continuation models. This is tough. Do I want to take this? Nah, I'm gonna wait for that 10 a.m. macro. What I'm looking at is this 2 a.m. this 2 p.m. And this is one of those trades that like technically it's a range model, but I never feel good about for value. That's a or even rebalance too. Like this might play out. Yeah, yeah. All right, this is not my best performance. I guess I haven't taken a loss, but we're missing winners left and right. Um, it's all right though. So 10 a.m. Looks like we want to go higher. I actually like this range model quite a bit. We ran out, so this is really like if you're looking for an example of a range model, this is. I'm sorry, this is yeah. I mean, I would call this a range model. So this is something I didn't actually talk about in my other YouTube video. Range models. So I say you have to be in a discount. I see running intermediate sell side as being a discount. Like I'm seeing now we actually didn't run this low and make equals with it. But if we had ran it, that would be a range model because it's an implied discount. And the reason why I didn't take this trade, by the way, is we didn't run that low. And there it is. We just ran it. This fair value gap right here. This is what I'm talking about. So yes, we aren't in a discount of this range. I don't really care. We actually did come into a discount, so yeah, this is perfect. Right? This would be a range call if we respect this for value app and invert this one. Boom, range model. This is like exactly what I'm talking about. We ran some minor sell side, came into a discount, respected, posing for value app. Boom. If we invert this for value app, A plus range model. I don't think that's not inversion. Now it is. All right, so we're long right there. And I know I say that like I usually just aim for range high on a trade like this where we've disrespected everything. Like look, 15-minute for value app, disrespected. This is again that what I was just saying a good way to find your own liquidity. Disrespecting high time frame for value apps. Usually will not going in that direction. So yeah, I really like this trade. It's gonna be TP1, it's gonna be TP2. This is A plus range model. If you're looking for what a range model is, boom, here you go. Discount, minor sell side, PD array, inversion, range high. With this one we have it's TP, but you don't need that. So it's gonna be 380 per contract. So what? That's it's gonna be six. That would be 18. Be 2280. Yeah, there's 2280 on this. 936195. All right, and I'm not gonna go break even on the side on this one because I think the odds of us coming above this and not running these are probably really low. Let's see if I'm right. I'd be break even here. I had not said that. Ooh, there it is. Boom. Yeah, we're definitely doing half and half with TPUs. Oh, I need to actually remember to show my stop this time. All right, there it is. Boom. All right. So this actually that's interesting because I guess I should have done what I usually say, which is just close full TP at range high, which is right here. But this is still a great range model. Um, Yeah, we haven't lost a single trade. Wow. A lot of breaking news, but that was a good trade. Small win. A lot of small wins there. Which let's see. Boom, boom. Wednesday, May 20th. But yeah, I mean that was an awesome range model. FOMC minutes. I do trade the days, but where's the draw? Okay, so one thing I look for, I basically the best thing to compare this to is just equal highs is wickless candles. Okay, like you can see this daily candle, it doesn't have a wick here. That means we opened and we went lower without giving any chance to like get out, mitigate, short above the daily open. We're probably gonna want to deliver up to that. So I see that as sort of like high time frame equal highs, even though it's not. That's kind of what I Barrows are. So let's say we manipulate below 12 a.m. I do use daily profiles. I don't name them as much as I know more trades. It's like, oh, today was New York continuation. I more so you want to look at where we're manipulating. It can tell you a lot, right? Because big institutions will trade on a day basis. The daily candle matters a lot. Um, and like right here, we manipulate below midnight. We come up where it's London open, and we start coming up at London, which means this is all just straight up in London. I think that we'll probably want to see some discount in a way. This hourly for value does look really nice. I know we want to go higher, but with FOMC meeting minutes, we might want to save that. So I am actually like short term bearish, midterm, long term bullish right now. You might want to come for that wick list. So there it is right there. There's the where I said we'd go, but I mean there's no setup here anyways, no manipulation. Ah, look at all that low resistance liquidity. I bet if we invert this, now that's 10 grand. If we do it on the next couple candles, I'm not kidding. It's one of those things that I really just don't want to take, but I feel like it plays out if it happens. Yeah, like right, we invert it right here, boom. I bet we just fall lower, but I can't really justify it. All right, we'll look at this 11 a.m. macro here. We haven't done the 11 a.m. stuff. Um, all right, okay. Boom. Should we run out that high? Let's run out the next one. Yeah. This is like one of those days I was talking about earlier where like you see it and it just doesn't feel like you have an edge. Like you don't even want to watch that. Alright. Thursday, May 21st. 8:30 news, 9:45 news, 10 a.m. news. Powell's speaking later that day, but it's not. But I don't like trading if Powell's speaking in the morning. If he's speaking at 2:30, you can actually get a good setup then. So see what we're working with. We did come out with close gap, immediate rebalance on the daily. Probably just higher here, right? Manipulation below midnight. Yeah. Yeah, so this is what is this PDI? How do we run PDI here? Oh, this is six. Okay, so this is Asia high technically. 6 p.m. again. Any hourly gaps? Not really. Kind of like running this, the pre-market low right here. Get a model off that. Let's see what we know within that one minute. Yeah, if we run lower here, like sick. No. Alright, so we're on the high. I think that we'll probably go lower than higher here. There's that pre-market low. I know we already ran the high, but it's super shallow, and I doubt that it's just soup off that, right? Totally looks like it could be, but something go higher here, right? So this is good. This is a reversal model, by the way. We're gonna look at that. But with all that news, yeah, I wanted to see that 10 a.m. major release. Let's see what we do here. If we don't get something within like first 15, 20 minutes of that 10 a.m. macro, probably, yeah, nah, not messing with this. Might even want that logo. Okay. 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 Oh no. I was gonna say if we invert this, that could be a decent continuation model to this one. Yeah, it's really, but I want to show you guys a continuation model. I do trade them, but yeah. Okay, so I was right. It's very nice, but yeah. Another one where you just actually weird, you know. I really don't. All right, so we're gonna go to the next day here. What are we working with? It's gonna be the wait. What's this one's all right? So it's Friday no news word. All right, so yeah. Friday no news drawings. Oh wow, okay. Reassuring. It's that four. Into this 4 hour for value here. So okay, okay. At the London board. All right, all right. So it's very bullish. Probably want this hourly for value up though first, right? What? This is Friday notice. Yeah, so we're gonna come to here. Boom. That 5 minute. I think nothing here. So read off of. They get on paper. It's like a decent reversal model, and then you see there's no for value at this low. That's why. I guess you could taken that. I don't know. Is it? It would be a continuation, but this time in that goes one lower. You've never heard everything on. Yeah, there's this 5 minute gap up, and then it's equal. Again, what I was saying about the front going through. Okay, 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 okay. Let's go higher so I can show them a continuation now. If we'd inverted this or this, it'd be a nice continuation model. This though, okay, this SMC. Ooh, isn't it every single? So I've only done that 3 times. Every single time I pull up ES and say, "Is this SMT?" It's always actually SMT. It's like legitimate base. This good number. So this is the range model where we came into the discount. We respected the discount P right there. There's not really any good big units, so this would be a higher RR, so we don't need as high of a win rate. Let's be plus EV. It's right in low key. I'm not faking this. But if this weren't SMT, I would probably would not even consider it. Respect the body, yeah. This is again, this is one of those trades where like I can't really give a reason why I should take it to watch out. I will take it. Um, I gotta refresh. Okay, I refreshed. Watch FX replay. If any FX replay people are watching this, you shouldn't bug, bro. Like I'm in a position, but I'm not. Okay. Um, I guess we can use this as our position here. Can I set a stop loss? Okay. I lost all my drawings. I had tons of drawings, but this is a range model here. Like I was saying, this is one where like you just have to take it, but it never feels good. Um, this was TP1, TP2 was the hourly line. Because this is SMT right here, so and we inverted this for value up here. I mean, it's when you come into this kind of respect that for value up. If you're looking for a range model example, here you go. Like this is nice. It's like 4. Right? Yeah, so we'll just do 2 and 2. TPs. We don't need a crazy high win right here. Just to be plus EV. It is a decent extra reward trade. Boom, boom. Stop loss must be less. What do you think the current price is? It's just so bugged. It's actually so bugged. Oh man. I like it. It's just it's so annoying. It's so bugged. Now I have a percent. So, oh, okay, okay, yeah. I'm supposed to get annoyed, but yeah, I guess you're at 90 people. 2 and 2. Oh, this is gonna be a loss for sure. Yeah, there it is. All right, that's our first loss on the stream. Yeah, not the stream. This video. It's chill though. Why did this lose? Honestly, it's just because it's Friday news. We already had a big rally up. Don't really have much reason to expand here on the Friday news. Um, yeah, we live with it. Move on. I think that we probably had an edge there, but and the worst part is this fucking trade is open. Like, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Okay, I like like I am I tweaking? Just get me out. Okay, whatever. Honestly, whatever. I don't really care too much about the stats, but I do. I promise, guys, the stats I'm showing you were not fake. I actually have a 65% win rate, 1.2, 1.3 risk reward. I like that's not something I lie about. It's not even that good. Well, it's good. See, the thing with risk reward and win rates, people exaggerate it so much. Like when you see those stupid slideshows on TikTok, and it's like a 3 to 1. They're like they have a 10% win rate. They have a 20% win rate max. Like it's like maybe 30. Like they only post their winners because they want you to buy their force. Realistically, like and then they also trade prop firms with that. But you're not getting payouts with a 30% win rate. Even if it's super high RR, it makes it so hard. You just it's so hard to pass evals. Like trust me, I know how this works. It's like if you're 1.3 risk reward, 65% win rate. It over time, that's all you need, guys. Don't be greedy. So we're gonna go into Monday, 25th. Looks like there's no news. What's my time? Okay. Looks like we're disrespecting that. Like I'd say bullshit, but what's the draw? You know, you can look at boom boom, Cholium. All right. So we have this sell side right here. Um, Again, like I'm bullish here, but it's almost like I have to be bearish because there's no bullish draw. But we might just run higher here. I actually like this for a bearish reversal, but yeah, I didn't take it because we don't really have reason to be bearish here, being real here. Now I would say maybe we do. Again, if I ever pull up the yes chart, I'm just right about there being SMT. SMT. Um, uh, so this would be a reversal model with this as this on the buy side. I actually with this opening range low way down here is a nice little TP. This is kind of looking good with the SMT. If we didn't have SMT, I wouldn't touch this, but for Monday, no dues. This is about as good as it. Yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, these are equal lows. Could leave one runner, but this is mostly just gonna be a scalp to the opening range low. Stop loss right here. So it's 1450 per, so we can do 13 contracts. Why is the range so small? Is this like Labor Day or something? Okay. Thinking, I really hope that this just works and things will more trades. Please drop trade plus I don't have to use this FX replay shit anymore. I feel like this is Labor Day. This is not normal price action. Yeah, fuck. Alright, we live with that. We live with that. It didn't even close the trades. Okay, so FX replay is bugged. Um, All right, so FX replay is bugged. I want to make this video actually good. It's planning on just running full hour of it of back testing. Looks like we're gonna get that, so I'm just gonna go over all of the like recent examples because I just want to give you guys examples of what I'm talking about because this model can be so helpful for your trading. Shout out the Discord guys. Shout out all of you guys that have joined. Come talk to me. Yeah, we're talking about trading. You guys can DM me too. Um, like just talk to me, bro. I don't care. Uh, so this actually I took this on the 3 minute. This was on this was 10 days ago. Wow. Okay. Yeah, we ran out that pre-market high, inverted on the 3 minute. Boom. You know, TP1. They had relatively equal lows down there, which is why our draw was bearish. But great trade. Took that. I took this one too. Got stopped at break even. It's really looking like I go break even too much, huh? I need to. All right, I'm gonna work on that. That'll be something good to some work on this weekend. See if I can improve my edge a bit. Like going break even less. Cause this one, like all of those trades on back testing, I was going break even too much. This one went break even and ended up putting out, but still a great trade, right? Ran pre-market high. This is a reversal model. So was the last one. I'm in the reversal section of Discord. What's this? All right, another break even. This is what I'm talking about though. This actually, I guess it would have won, but I would have had to sit through an hour of chop, which I consider that a W for getting out break even there. And then this we just took yesterday. I love this trade. Um, this is A plus. I mean, I was bullish. The only thing that doesn't line up here is that it was a Friday. On a Thursday, on a Wednesday, on a Tuesday, probably run pre-market higher here, right? We had SMT right here, right? High time frame, 15-minute discount for value gap, inversion, boom, awesome. Some range models, let's get into it. This one, made TikTok on this one, I liked it. And that's outside. This is the kind of trade I look for at 11 a.m. I don't take many reversal models at times other than 10 a.m., honestly. I like looking for range continuations, stuff like that. Um, yeah, this was another range model that I liked. Um, this was our range conditioning inversion there. Boom, run lower, TP. This one, oh, I love playing in data ranges, bro. Data ranges are so nice for range models, because they look like reversal models, but you're playing in the data range. It's in theory, it's a range model, but yeah, I'm using these categories, bro. It just simplifies it so much. Like, even you can even just look at it. Like, I feel like going into every single day, like going into like a day like this with CPI or PPI, I just know what I'm looking for. You know what I mean? Like, it's so nice, and like you can catch. Say, look, you missed all these IFVGs. Boom, continuation model. Boom, right there. Right. Once we invert that PPI gap, boom, everything's inverted. Call it a continuation model. Boom. Like it's continuations are definitely the rarest, but yeah. Yeah, these are all good trades. I'm gonna end the video there. Join the Discord. I'm gonna keep posting all these new examples. Let me know what other videos you guys want. I'll make literally any type of trading video. Anything you guys need help with. Join the Discord, subscribe on here. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.